Everybody, Rev Nation here. I just wanted to make a quick video of how to put your Camaro into stealth mode without starting the car. I live in one of these fancy schmancy communities that don't like people bending the rules, let's just say. So me having this super loud car could be kind of problematic in the mornings if I ever have to go anywhere or do anything. It's something I think about. I'm like, oh crap, man, I gotta start my car and I'm gonna wake everybody up type of deal. Luckily, with the active exhaust, I can't recall if this comes on the stock exhaust, but when you upgrade on the Camaro to the active exhaust, which is $995, and I would pay even more than that because that's how good it is. You get stealth mode, which is great. It's not all that stealthy, in my opinion, but needless to say, you know, it's better than leaving it in sport mode or even tour mode, because that startup is abrupt, let's just say. All right, let's get to it. So you're going to want to have your trusty key fob with you and put your foot on the brake and put your finger on this button here. And you're going to hold it for 1, 2, 3. It's like about 5 seconds or so. And then it's going to give you this screen without starting the vehicle. You will go into settings, over to vehicle, engine sound, and put it into stealth. All right, I'm gonna roll the window down, even though it's raining here, and we will start her up. I got no add-ons to the sound or anything. I'll just give you a shot of that sweet Ranger. So as you can see, it's really not all that stealthy, but it is better than something like track mode or sport mode, and I will give you an example of that now. I mean, you can, I shifted it in there, you can already hear it. All right. So, in my opinion, not all that much different. It's a little bit different, but it's not that great. So let me know what you think about that. Do you think they should have made the stealth mode a little bit more stealthy? I do. All right, put in the comments any other like gadget-wise things or stuff on the interior that you all would like to see. Please let me know. And like and subscribe and share the video and so on. So thanks for watching. We will see ya.